Welcome to Ehela's Tuition. TASM program to add two 8-bit numbers. Let us discuss our code. First we write the data segment. Here we use three data. The first data is enter first number, then enter second number, then the result is. So we write message db 0dh 0h enter first number and the dollar indicates the end of the string. Then we write message 1db 0dh 0h and the second number and the dollar sign. Then result db 0dh 0h, the result is. Dollar indicates the end of the string. Here the data ends. Then we start the code segment. The code segment, assume CS is the code and DS is the data. We are here starting our code. Then the first code is move data to data segment. For moving data to data segment, we use the code move x, data move ds, x. This is the code used to move data to data segment. And the next we want to display the content of variable message 1. We want to display this content enter first number. For that we use the code move ds, offset message and move h, 09h into 21h. Then we get the message enter first number. So we try to entering the first number. So the system want to accept that input. To accept input and store ASCII value into AL, we use the command move h, 01h into 21h. Here we are giving 8-bit data. So we want to accept the first number as a tens place number. So we use sub AL 30h, move BL, AL, rotate left BL, 4. Then we get the first number, it's a tens place number. Then we want to accept the first place, ones place number. So again we use move h, 01h into 21h. This code is used to accept input and store ASCII value into AL. Then we use sub AL, 30h. This code is accept units place of number. Then we add BL, AL. Get the number by adding tens and units place using this code. Then we want to display the second code. So we use move ds, offset message 1, display content of variable message 1. The content is enter the second number. For displaying we use move h, 09h into 21h. Then we want to accept the second number. So we again repeat the same code move h, 01h into 21h, sub l, 30h, acceptance place number. Here we are repeating the same step. Move CL, L, rotate left CL by 4 units. Then we want to accept the ones place number. Use move h, 01h into 21h, sub L, 30h. Then we add these two numbers, tens place and ones place number. Add CL, L. We get the second number. Add the second number is now stored in CL. The first number is stored in BL. So we want to add these two numbers, CL and BL. These numbers, the numbers are stored in CL and BL. Then we add BL, CL. The value is stored in BL. Then we want to display the value is stored in BL. For displaying that value, we use the command to move ds, offset result, move h, 09h into 21h. Then our value is now stored in BL. That is move to CL. Store the value to the result CL. Then isolating tens place of result, we use AND BL, 0f, 0h. rotate right BL comma 4. Then we use calling a loop. Call ASCII converter loop. Then move DL comma BL. The value of BL is stored to DL. Then move H comma 0 to H into 21H. This is used to display a number. Then move BL comma CL. Retrieve original result. For getting the original result, the value of CL is moved to BL. Then AND BL comma 0 of H is used to isolate units place of result. Then we call ASCII converter, again calling the loop. Then next move DL comma BL. The value of BL is moved to DL. Move H comma 0 to H into 21H. This is used to display a number. The same step is repeating here using the variable registers. Move H comma 4CH into 21H. This is used to terminate the program. Then we want to explain the loop conditions. Here we are using the loop ASCII converter. ASCII converter procedure. This is used to compare 0A. If it is less than A, then we need to add only 30. For we compare BL comma 0H. Here we comparing the value to 0H. If it is greater than or equal to 0A, then we also need to add 07. If it is greater than or 0A, we need to add 7. If it is less than, we need only to add 30. So jump carry skip. Add BL comma 07H. If it is greater, we need to add BL comma 30H. Then return and the procedure code ends and start. Write the program in Notepad. Then save in the TASM folder. C TASM 1.4 TASM as add 8 as a .asm file. Save here. Then open the TASM. Open the DOS box. TASM, our file name .asm. Okay, file name is add8.asm. No error message and no warning message. Passes 1. Remaining memory 475K. It's okay. Then we want to convert object file. For that we use the command tlink file name .obj. Okay, this is a good message. Then we want to execute. For that we use the file name .exe. Enter the first number. Entering the first number. Then enter the second number. Entering the second number. The result is 25. So okay, it's working. Check another result. Enter the first number. Enter the second number. The result is 66. Okay. For exiting this terminal, write the command exit. Comment your doubts. Subscribe the channel to get the next video. Thank you.